친구 기다리고 있습니다. 근데 요 녀석이 또 길을 잃었다고 하네요. 우리 집 한두 번 오는 것도 아닌데 어디 있는 거야 이렇게 안 와. 저 방금 막 전화 와서 거의 울먹이면서 점점 모르는 동네로 가고 있다고. 주소 다시 보내달라고. 내비 찍고 오겠다고. 아 너무 웃겨. 아 진짜 배고파. 너무 배고파요. 1시입니다. 1시. Can't believe you lost the game.
My GPS
Oh my
is like,
gosh. Jess.
it's so stupid. My GPS is so dumb. It like took me so far and I was like, why is it doing this? I said the A63 is right there. I'm like, I know how to get here. And I'm like, oh, maybe there's traffic or I don't know. I don't know which way to go. I'll just go right until you tell me to go otherwise. I don't know where we're going.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Do you know anything around?
Not
I mean,
really.
we can try to go find parking. I just was having a hard time. There's a lot of people down there right now.
Yeah, they have a fête de la musique.
Yeah.
So we have to change the plan. So where should we go? Do you want to go to the place what I said, the first one, the cafe, Japanese cafe, or
Sure.
this is next to auction, Decathlon.
Okay.
Do you know how to go?
I think I go this way, right? Go back across the.
You have to go left.
That's okay.
Oh la la! How are you?
Okay.
Or Monday, Tuesday. This weather is crazy. Can you believe it? Like a few days ago, it was 41 degrees,
That's insane.
and now we're wearing like
I
that.
wasn't totally prepared.
It's cold. I even bring my jacket in my bag. Yeah,
Somewhere on the bottom.
yeah, somewhere on the bottom. Oh, 한국 사람. They look Korean.
Huh?
They look Korean.
They look Korean?
Yeah, that's Korean.
There's other Koreans in Bayonne?
I think they're going to the Compostela, Santiago. Yay. I'm starving, Jess.
I'm sorry.
I know it's not your fault. It's the stupid machine navigation.
I know. Google Maps.
Google,
Yeah,
say
I
something
saw
to Google.
Maps, okay? The spinning redirecting thing was not cool today.
Yeah, it was very stupid. I want to do shopping for Korea.
You have to wait.
Yeah,
Isn't it better or is it more expensive?
It depends, but
Like the
I think I can find easier the cheap one and better quality.
Yeah.
So maybe I should wait.
It's hard, huh?
Yeah.
Summer and everything's out there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm following her. I don't know where to go. I don't know
Come
where
here,
we're going.
come here, follow me. Sorry.
Avec plus un instant de repos, fais pipi, caca, popo, fais pipi, caca, popo. C'est maman, c'est papa, qui nous ont appris tout ça.
I think she, if they say that again, they'll think it's funny.
C'est papa, qui nous ont appris tout ça. Merci à vous.
It's a difficult part for you. You have to decide here and older here. Last time I came with another Korean girl who came for exchange student,
Okay.
and she left to back to Korea now. But she introduced this restaurant. This is new restaurant, but it was really good. So last time I chose this one, but actually it's not really for two people. It's
Small.
yeah. So last time we ordered one this and one bowl. I don't know which one was it. I think I don't know.
Okay.
Alright. Aujourd'hui il y a tout.
Non, on n'a pas les gyoza, on n'a
Ah.
pas de karage, on
Ah.
n'a pas de dessert.
Ah ok. Parce que dernière fois c'était aussi il y a quelque chose. Mais il y a ça.
Ça, il y a. Et on remplace
Parce
ça
qu'il y a
par-
gyoza aussi.
Non, on n'a pas de gyoza, on remplace ça par le toikatsu.
Ah.
On met du toikatsu à la place.
Parce que gyoza c'était super bon. Hein.
Ouais, on n'a plus de gyoza.
Dommage. Merci.
Merci. Et une santé. Des boissons.
Oh non merci. Miriwas, please.
Et ça fait quelqu'un mourir aussi?
C'est bon pour l'instant. Peut-être après on va ajouter quelque chose, mais.
Bah, je vous mets ton attente, d'accord?
Oh oui.
Ça vous paiera.
Ah ok.
Ça s'appelle.
Ok, merci.
Ça s'appelle?
Ah oui, merci.
고추장. 고추장. 일본 어때? 작품이요. Oh, you wanna sit here, maybe? You know what? Last time I sit here too.
Oh,
Exactly
really?
the same place. Yes.
Also thinking, what if I flew out of like, I don't know, somewhere in Spain, like maybe like
Bilbao.
Bilbao.
But
I don't know if it would be more expensive, or even like,
we already searched before, no?
what's the airport in Seoul? Is it
Seoul,
Seoul?
인천. Yeah, you can just write Seoul and they will find 인천. 아, 지금 한국 가는 거 원래 같이 가려 했는데 백신 그게 풀렸잖아요. 그래서 풀리고 바로 알아봤는데 가격이 3 times more expensive. Crazy.
But I want to go.
Yeah, I know. I want you to come so badly. Oh my gosh.
When would I go? August?
August, when you want.
You're
July,
there till the
August is better maybe. I don't know.
you're there till the 23rd.
25th. 25th.
25th. So let's say
You could stay like a couple of days more without us if it's much cheaper. 우리 아직 희망을 안 버리고 맨날 찾아봐요. 여기서 가는 거 저기서 가는 거 골고루. 아, 진짜
I'm gonna
expensive.
put the 14th of August as a starting.
Okay. That's I will help you. 와. 이건 치킨 가스고 이건 덴뿌라, 김치 덴뿌라, and karage. What's the karage?
Kage is like chicken breast. fried chicken breast.
닭강정 같은 건가 봐요.
Tonkatsu it's a different breading.
Yeah,
With
돈가스 is Korea. We eat a lot 돈가스.
yeah.
Yeah, 돈가스. And sushi, 초밥. And we have one more bowl to come. You wanna start eat now or you wanna wait?
As you want.
We can eat.
Go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Have you? Thank you. It's hard to mix.
So annoying. I want to go.
Me too. I can't stop thinking about that.
I,
Oh my
like
god.
part of me just feels like I should say to like to walk to Matina and be like, hey, if I can put together.
Bonjour. Merci. Vous partagez, oui. Oh là. Merci.
Should we get
Yeah.
a plate?
We are good. Yeah. What's that? Ah, it's cabbage, maybe. It looks like a bibimbap a little bit.
It does kind of look like
Yeah. Bibimbap with the chicken. What do you want?
Should we get a plate or it's okay?
Maybe. If you want, I don't care. I don't care. Okay.
It looks pretty easy. So.
Yeah. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Can I eat this one? So good. I love here. Just happy to eat some food like this Asian food. Someone cooked. I mean, I don't need to cook for me. Yeah. Salty.
Eat with the rice.
Yeah,
Eat with the rice.
rice.